What's up, you guys? And in today's video, I have my aunt with me. We're gonna be doing the Snackcrate box. We're gonna be opening our Snackcrate box that we got for this month. It is currently Halloween, so that's why I have my Halloween makeup on, because I didn't want to take it off because I didn't feel like it. We're gonna open this box. I already cut it, but I don't know what's in it, so let's open it. We got Italy. We always get a postcard. And this is Italy, and it tells you, in the postcard it tells you like facts about Italy, and it also does tell you what you got in the box, but we don't really like to read off of that because it kind of like for it to be a surprise. And then they always send us little stickers from the country. They always send us stickers from the country or the places that they send our snacks from. So this is the packaging of the Italy little thing, so we're gonna open it. So before we get into the video, I want to make a little disclaimer. We are in the dining room, so the living room is right next door to the dining room, and the child is in the child is in the room. So if you hear him talking or screaming or playing in the background,
just ignore him.
Just ignore him. Kind of. Yeah, so this is the first product that we got, and this is, they look like potato chips, and they are tomato flavor, I'm guessing.
For real?
Yeah, so they look like this, and so we're going to open and try them. Here, let me get one. Really big, look at it. Kind of smells like spicy.
Vinegary. It tastes like ketchup. Like a potato, like a French fry.
It tastes like ketchup.
Oh, I need to get me some drink because it's a little.
If you like ketchup,
I hate ketchup.
Be wonderful for you. If you don't like ketchup, probably not your favorite. I'm not a big fan of ketchup, but I mean it's crazy that it tastes like that, but it's an interesting chip. So the next bag that we got is these little, they're called crisp, and they're called crisp, and they look like these little like thick chips.
Cook.
So this is what it looks like. Kind of looks
like a chip
biscuit chip thing, yeah.
Oh. That
was
was
like
good.
a cracker.
Or it tastes like a blown up cracker, like a
like a puffy,
fried,
a puffy cracker. Those are good.
Like a what?
They taste like baked potato chips. So this next bag that we got is this little, I don't know if they're like croutons looking things, and they have like what is that?
Pepper.
They have a pepper on it, so they look like this. They look like little croutons. Okay, ready?
Not bad. I mean, they don't really have a lot of flavor.
They taste like ketchup again.
No. They taste like croutons, but
like a little kick to it.
Yeah.
This is the bag of it. I do not know what they are because I don't have a picture of them. So this is what it's called. I don't know what it's called, but I'm going to put it on the screen.
It's called Funsies.
These bags are just so...
That one's
like
supposed to have...
like Cheetos. So they look like Cheetos. Just white.
It says non fritti.
Those are good.
For real?
They taste like Cheetos. That's what it looks like inside.
They are good.
Those are good.
Yeah, they are good. Do they have cheese?
Those are super good. So the next thing that we got in here are these, like, they look like cookies. So these are what the cookies look like. They have a R and an O on them. Mine's kind of broken, but these are good.
There's those Mexican ones. Like those Mexican cookies.
These are good. Those are good.
Yeah, these are good.
Looks like a croissant that has chocolate in it. So we're gonna try it. It's really fluffy actually. So,
Like,
ooh, this is what it looks like. A big old bread. So I'm just gonna kind of break some off.
what the? What is in there?
Chocolate. That chocolate tastes like pudding.
Oh, the
That's
bread is really
good.
soft though.
The bread is really soft for being chipped. That was good. That one's good. So they're like these little stick, like they feel like kind of like a gum consistency.
This is mystery.
So this one's, I don't know what they're called, but I'm just gonna put it.
It says Goliador. Goliador.
So they're mystery flavors, I guess. But ooh.
Oh, they're hard candy.
There's two. So this is the purple one, I guess.
Oh, God. That's really that's hard. You're gonna break your teeth with this.
But it's hard but like gummy at the same time. Oh, they're good. Just really chewy.
Are they
hard
the
to
same flavor
chew.
like this?
So this is the next one. It looks like a chocolate candy bar. So we're gonna open it. Foreign candies, they have like these little pull things that you just rip off, and that extra is so amazing. I'm gonna take a bite. It looks like this.
The face he makes. Is this like the same one we had?
It kind of tastes like the other Snackcrate one we got, the Kinder one. But
that's good.
This one has a peanut in it. That one's good.
You ate the peanut?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm done with you.
That one was good. So I recommend that one. So these are the next ones that we're gonna try. They look like these like gummies. They're just like this. They have orange and yellow, white ones. I'm guessing this is lime or something, and this is orange. I don't really know, but they look like this. This one's that one. Let me try it.
Oh, they're soft. This one tastes like.
Really good.
Like pina colada?
Pina colada?
Or something.
That one kind of tastes. Oh, I don't know. Those are good. So this next one is called Lacquer.
Lacquer.
It says cocoa and milk, so they look like wafers. So we finna try it. So this is one. Looks like a wafer. So yeah. Dude, right here tastes like Oreos and milk. Oreos and milk. That's what it tastes like.
Mine tastes like dirt.
So this next one looks like a chocolate bar, and it looks like these. So this looks like a Rice Krispie treat.
That looks like a dried up. That's
good. That is delicious. Period. The last and final one is this Mix. It's called Mix.
Oh, that does look like cake.
So it looks like cake. Like a little Debbie cake. That's what it looks like. Almost like a little piece.
You don't like it? It's gross.
It tastes like a pool.
She said a pool. Okay.
A big old
If you know what a pool tastes like, what are you eating pools for?
It tastes like wheat. That's what it tastes like. That tastes like wheat.
It tastes like
The
weird.
whole pool.
It's the
So that concludes the end of the Snackcrate box of Italy. The stuff was very interesting. They're delicious and stuff. I thank you, Snackcrate, for sending us our box. So this is the end of this video. If you like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post. If you want to see more Snackcrate videos, make sure to comment down below so I know you are enjoying the Snackcrate videos. I have not been posting, and I know I have not been posting within a month. I have been recording videos but not posting them. And if y'all want a life update on that, I will probably tell you that in my next YouTube video that I do. But thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos. And watching my videos when I post them. And I will see you guys in my next video. Say bye. Say peace. Peace. Say bye. Okay, this is Jarvis' time to shine. Say bye. Do you love them? Give them a kiss. Ah, you're so cute. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Child, Jai.
You act like you need a mine.
Or maybe I got a different one than you.
It's the same thing.
They're different colors.
No, they're not.
Look.
That's brown and that's brown.
It's darker.
What are you tripping?
That was not mixed milk. It was mixed milk.
No, it's not milk. It's an I.
That's an L.
It's an E.